Hello guys, welcome to my channel High Tech Confusion. In this video, I would like to show you installing some extensions in VS Code. First of all, create one folder on desktop. I am creating here VS Code ext, that is extension. This folder is to show you some extensions in VS Code. Now open VS Code, click on File and open this folder. I have saved on desktop. So go to desktop and yes, vscode ext, select folder. Yes, the folder is open now. Here we see here 5 options. That is in this one there is one extension. Here from here we can install some extensions. First of all, how to install this? I'm installing this Python. Yeah, select this which is published by Microsoft. I have already installed it. I am uninstalling it once again to show you. Yes. Click on install. Yes. The extension was installed. To show you how it works, open, once close this extension and open your folder and create one new file. That is index.html or anything, any file you want to create. I am creating here index.py. That is Python file. Yes, opening here, and I'm printing one program like print. This is random. Yes, that's it. And you can see here this run button. It is the main thing after makes it is the main thing we can see after installing that Python extension. To run this code, wait. To run this code, you can simply click on this play button, but okay. Beside this run button, there is one arrow mark. Click on that and click on run Python file. Yes, click on it. Yes, you can see here output. You can see here our output. This is random. Yes, it is the first extension I have done here. And again, next extension is Python preview. Simply search here Python space preview and search for it. You can see here first one which is published by Dongley. Click on install. Simply click on install anyway, no problem. Click on test publisher and install. Yes, it is installed now. To see how this extension is work out, simply open our file, and add another two lines of code, that is anything. For example, I am typing here a is equal to 22 and b in the next line b is equal to 45. To check this extension, click here. You can see here this icon, that is preview icon. Click on this and you can simply see after you can open current file, and you can move this code if it is several lines also. It is useful in some huge projects. And then next extension is uh, AREPL. It is very important in it is very important extension. Install it. Yes. Extension is installed. To see this specifications of this extension, open your file, and you can see here this icon. Uh, yes, this icon. Click on it. The main use of this extension is while we are coding here, like on sheet I'm showing you a is equal to 22, b is equal to 45, then print, for example, I'm entering here print a plus b. Yes, you can see here our in this page, our code output and variables we have used here. If any error entered in our code, it will also show in this page. It is very helpful in coding. And again, our next extension is code runner. Simply type here code runner space runner. I can see first one. Yes, I have already installed it before. For you, I am uninstalling it, then once again installing it. Yes, install. Yes, it is the most important extension in everyone. In every VS Code application should be there. It is with this every, you can see here some language programming languages. You can the code will run with this extension only. And we can see some shortcuts which we can use in VS Code, like it will present here. Uh, yes, this one usages. Here are some few shortcuts you can use in VS Code. Yeah, like this, there is so much helpful with this extension. And again, other extension is auto doc string. Auto draw. Yes, the first one is first one. Yes, click on this first one. Yes, install this. click on install and trust publisher and install. Now we can see this how this extension helpful to us. Here in our file, click print. For example, I'm running the code like print. Please subscribe to my channel. And after that, define any function like def subscribe. For example, def subscribe, and again I am returning the value like return return thank you for subscribing. And now after opening the function in the above, no sorry, in the below function line, please enter the three hyphen the double quotes, and we can see there and click on it. You can simply see here test, which is we are not we need not to enter any this syntax or anything, and it will helpful us to write a code in simple way, and it is understandable also. Yeah. Like this, there are many extensions. These are the main extensions, and there are still extensions we have seen here, like Django, and GitHub Copilot, and still many another. We can install it while we are working on it. No need now. So that's all for the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will give definitely reply to you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.